Hello students, a very welcome to the online class. In this video we are going to understand the next part of our lesson, subject verb agreement. Now let us see the number 12 clause. When the subject, though singular in form, taken as a whole is plural in meaning, the plural verb should be used. Means what? A lot of trees. Here a subject is there. It is singular in form, a lot. A lot means a group or a heap or a bundle or mass of something more than one. Of trees, a lot of trees have been cut. Here, for this a lot of, you take a plural verb, not has been cut. A lot of trees has been cut will be wrong. You have to use have been cut. Second one, the majority of voters are illiterate. Here the majority, these are the abstract noun. This is the abstract noun, the majority. So here, even if it is singular of voters, it represent so many voters are there. Means more than one. Number of voters are there. So here are we are using are illiterate. If such a sentence is there, the majority of voters are illiterate. In this you have to use the plural helping verb. More than 12 boys have participated in the essay writing competition. Here it is very clear, more than 12 boys. Here one quantity is there, and what is the quantity? That quantity is more than 12. This is why have participated in the essay writing competition. This we have to understand. After that, 13th clause, the verb in a sentence agrees with the number of the subject and not with the number of the noun that is added to it by using such words as with, together with, in addition to, accompanied by, as well as, etc. Let us understand. The captain with all his soldiers was rewarded. Now here in this sentence, the captain was rewarded. Here you are using the captain was rewarded. The captain has connection with was. Okay, this was you are using in connection with the captain, and here you are telling with all his soldiers means captain with all his soldiers. This is a phrase, prepositional phrase, and this is just addition to the noun. This cannot be counted in the subject. With all his soldiers. So sometimes we do the mistake of using the verb according to this. Soldiers, this is plural, so we use here were. It will be a wrong sentence. So this was we are using according to the captain subject. This you have to remember. The captain was rewarded with all his soldiers. This way the sentence is. Here they have just written in the other way using commas in between. This phrase they are using in between. The captain with all his soldiers was rewarded. The principal together with his staff. Here together with his staff, this is the phrase, but the principal is singular. This is why we are using this subject was. The principal together with his staff was present at the ceremony. The house, in addition to its contents, was sold. So the house is singular here. Even if in this sentence the contents is plural, the house is singular, so we are using was, not were. This you have to understand. Let us solve the exercise. Exercise 1. In each of the following sentences, supply a verb in agreement with its subject. Choose the correct one from the brackets. You have to write here in the textbook 2 and 2 make 4. 2 and 2 make 4. So make is the correct answer here. Make. Thereafter, second sentence, there dash several mistakes in your essay. There are, you have to write here. There is not the subject. Several mistakes is the subject, and according to this you use the helping verb in such sentence which begins with their. Either the teacher or the boys are responsible for it. This boys is plural. This is why according to this subject you use the helping verb in either or, neither nor sentences. Are responsible for it. Mr. Gupta and his parents live in this house. This is a complex compound subject, means if the subject is joined with and, it is plural. Mr. Gupta and his parents, this become more than one, so live in this house. Neither you nor I am happy here. Am you have to use, am is the correct here. Either Madhu or her friends, here or is there, either or, her friends is plural, so have. Neither coffee nor tea is good for me. Slow and steady wins the race. These two are the qualities of a same person. Who is slow also, who is steady, means constant, doing the action constantly. That person wins the race. This is why here wins we are using. More than 60 members are expected. A number of questions. A number you are using here, a number. A number of questions were asked. Even if a number is singular here, for this expression you have to use were asked. Now after this, the next sentence, the cost of all these articles dash risen. The cost of all these articles has, the cost is singular here, so we use here has. Neither Madhu nor Nisha was. Gold as well as silver has fallen in price. If as well as is there, you have to use has. The quality of the mangoes was. Time and tide wait for no one. These are the two things. Thereafter, the captain with all the players. So here, the captain with all the players is present on the ground. Easier to use. Our happiness or our sorrow is the result of our own actions. Is here to use. The novelist and poet is dead. Here the novelist and poet is the single person. This we have to consider because is dead. That person is dead. So that is the only person we consider here. Two people not died. So is you have to use here. The rise and fall of the tide is easier to use because you are talking about rise. Rise is the subject here. Rise and fall. This is the subject. Now neither my friend nor I dash to blame. Neither nor is there. This is why I after I am. Nor I am to blame. Now come on the next page. Neither my friend nor I am to blame. Now after this, correct the following sentences. There is many interesting stories in this magazine. So there is many is there. This is why there are. Are should be there. So here I am underlining this exercise you do in the notebook. 5 I am doing, remaining you have to do by your own in the notebook. Afterwards I will give the answer key. It are very windy today. It is, you should write it is. A friend and class fellow of mine is going to England because his Friend and class fellow is same person here. Neither I nor my brother is going to Shimla. Either either I or my brother is going to attend the party. M we use after I. The leader with his followers was present. So 6 I have done. Remaining you do by your own according to the answers given upside, understanding those answers. After that, let us solve the 14th one. 14th one, let us understand the following words must be followed by a singular verb. These words, each, either, neither, everyone, anyone, no one, one, someone, anybody, somebody, everybody, many, neither we have learnt above, either we have learnt. This everyone, anyone, no one, one, someone, anybody. These are called as indefinite pronouns. There is no definite subject here, whether it is singular or plural. So we have to consider them singular. Now, each of his sisters sings well. You see, each of his sisters means many are there, and one, taking one, single. We are talking about them. One sister. Each one sister. Each of his sisters sings well. Any one of the two is expected today. Any one of the two means you are taking one out of two here. One of my pens is lost. One of my pens means I have more than one, and out of those more, one is lost. Many a plant has died. Many a. Many a means so many. So many represents plural, and here many a represents single. So many a follows a singular helping verb. Many a plant has died. E. Everybody is interested in taking part in the competition. If everybody is there, you have to use the singular helping verb. F. Everyone knows. The secret noun. Here knows we are using. Knows. S form. S form we use in simple present tense with the singular subjects. No one wants. Again wants. S form is there to be unhappy. Someone has done this mischief. Now 15th one, two nouns qualified by each or every, even though connected by and take a singular verb as every boy and every girl was given a pocket of sweets. Let us understand what this sentence actually telling. Here two nouns qualified by each or every. If two nouns are there qualified by each or every, these adjectives or adverbs. Let us understand and take a singular verb. Every boy and every girl was given a pocket of sweets. Here what is happening? Here two subjects are there. Boy is also there, girl is also there. But every is there. Every. If such sentence is there connected with and is also there. But every is there. This is why was we are taking. Every boy and every girl was given a pocket of sweets. If such sentence comes, you have to use the singular helping verb. Each officer and every clerk of his office of this office is corrupt. Here is you are using because each and every. These adjectives are there before these nouns. Each officer, every clerk. Even if they are two different subjects, even if they are joined with and, they have these adjectives each and every before them. This is why we are using the helping verb singular is corrupt. None is constructed in the singular or plural as the sense may require. Means none you can use for singular or plural also depending upon the meaning of the sentence. Did you buy any apples? There were none in the market. There were, if were you are using means more than one you are talking about. And if you are using here, have you brought me a book? There was none in the bookshop means no one was there. So here it means a plural book, singular form of the book. So when the singular or plural express the sense equally well. The plural is commonly used. Means when the plural and singular they sound same. They express the same meaning in the equal way. So that time we use the plural commonly. None but fools have believed it. None. Here none but fools. Here fools is there. This is why we are understanding that this none we are telling about more than one people have believed it. So have we are using here, not has. D. None of these words are now correct. None of these words. Here these words is there. These words. This is why a plural sense is there. This is why this none we use this none for plural and we use the plural helping verb here are. Now current. None of his poems are well known. None of his poems are well known means what? Now no people know his poems. In the same way, these words are now current means what? Now these words are not current means not updated. Now none of his poems are well known. In this sentence also poems plural is there. This is why none we consider as plural and here we are using are. Now 17, the following words always take a plural verb. Both few, a few, many, several, as. They always take a plural verb. Both of these guests have come late. Have we are using. Many were called, but few were chosen. Here few, after few were we are using, after many were we are using. A few of these houses are still vacant. A few are still vacant. After a few we are using are. Several girls were absent. Several. And were we are using here helping verb, not was. 18. Much and a little take a singular verb. Much has already been said. Only a little of the work has been completed. Only a little. If a little is there, we use singular helping verb. Much is there, we use singular verb. Now, 19th one. The words all, most, none, some take a singular verb when they stand for uncountable nouns. They take a plural verb when they stand for countable nouns. Now you see, is there any food left? No, all has been eaten. All has been eaten. This is all food. Food is uncountable here. This is why we are using has. 60 boys took the examination. All have passed. Here 60 boys. It is countable. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why we are using have. After all. Thereafter 60 boys took the examination. Sorry, most of the money has been spent. Most of the money has been spent. Here you are using most is there. So after most, this money is countable and we are using has here because money is in singular. Now most of the boys have gone home. Here most is there, here is most is there, but here money is singular and here boys, this is plural. Money we always consider as singular and here boys countable noun but in plural form. So have we are using. This is how our today's this video was, and this remaining exercise we will solve. Here 5 I will solve, and remaining you have to solve by your own in the textbook. In each of the following sentences, supply a verb in agreement with its subject. Each of the suspected men, here each is there, so was arrested. Either of the rooms, either is there, this is why is suitable for me. Neither of you is right. Everyone of his friends, everyone is there, this is why has visited. Fifth one, any one of the two is expected today. So this is how I have done 5. Remaining you have to do understanding the above examples. So these all you have to do in the textbook itself, these 30. Fourth exercise we will take in the next video. So far, if you have any doubts, you can ask. Have fun. Take care. Thank you so much.